Okay. 4.2.
Okay.
Adding polynomials. Nothing new here. We're going to add like terms. Only. And write in standard form. Remember, standard form means highest exponent to smallest exponent and then constant. So, fifth, fourth, third, squared, first, constant. Adding, right now, really the parentheses mean nothing. There's no effect. You could have this, you don't need to rewrite this, but this could be written like this. Okay? It makes no difference. That's the same thing. Parentheses make no difference for addition. Okay? When we get subtraction, it makes a huge difference. But really, basically, all you're doing is, you're going, there's a cubed, look for other cubes. I have no other ones. So it's just 5x cubed. I personally, after I write it, like to maybe scratch it out, just so I know so I can look back and make sure I got everything, because it's very easy to miss something. Okay, now after 3 comes 2. So I have a 2x squared here and a 3x squared there. They're both positive, so that makes 5x squared. I'm going to cross them out because I'm done with them. After that, I need x's. Well, here's negative x and negative 4x. You borrow $1, you borrow $4, you owe $5. So I got my x's, I'm going to mark those off. Now numbers, constants. 7 plus 7, 14, and that is in standard form. Okay, I look for my highest exponent here. It's a 2. So I mark them, 3x squared. I mark them off because I'm done with them. After squared is just x. So I have 1x plus 1x is 2x. I mark them off. You don't have to mark them off. I'm just trying to make sure I get everything. Now my constants, I have a negative 5 and a 6. 6 minus 5 is positive 1. And I'm done. Okay, for subtraction, this is where it's very important. The subtraction, the parentheses matter. The first set of parentheses don't matter, but the second set definitely does. Because the negative sign is going to get distributed to everything. So for subtraction, we're going to change to addition. And change each sign in the second polynomial. In other words, we're going to distribute the negative. We're going to distribute that negative sign. And as always, write the answer in standard form. So I'm going to take this negative and distribute it here, here, and here. I'm just going to leave all this up here on the first parenthesis. I'm not going to rewrite all that. But right here, I'm going to write plus 2x cubed minus 3x plus 4. If you want to rewrite all that first one, you can. I don't see the reason for it. Every sign changed. But basically, when I do that, I'm changing this to addition. Okay, I'm getting rid of that minus sign. So, I look for my highest exponent. It's cubed. Well, I have a negative 2x cubed here and a positive 2x cubed here. What happens? It cancels, 0. Anything minus itself is 0. So I have no cubes. Now my squares. 5x squared, that's it. 5x squared. Now I look at my x's. Oh, another good idea is once you write this, you might want to just cross that out so it doesn't confuse you anymore because that's not what you're looking at. X's, minus x minus 3x minus 4x. Cross them out. Numbers, 8 plus 4, 12. Second one, I'm going to distribute here, here, and here. So I'm going to get minus 7, because it was positive, plus y cubed minus 12y. Once I'm done with this, I'm just going to cross it off so it's not confusing me. Now, my highest exponent is cubed. I've only got this right here, y cubed. X squared, I've only got 1x squared, y squared. Y's, I have 8y minus 12y. That's negative 4y. You have $8, you owe $12. I can only pay you 8, I'll owe you 4, negative $4. And then numbers, I have a negative 10 and a negative 7. That's negative 17. Now, this one, be careful. This negative is only here. We have a plus here, so it's not a big deal. So I'm going to drop down, make 2x squared minus 2x squared, make the negative x positive x, and make the negative 4 positive 4. I'm going to cross this out now. And now it's basically this plus this again. Just three things. So I look for my highest exponent. That's 2. I have 3 plus 3 is 6, minus 2 is 4. 4x squared. Now my x's. I have negative 5x plus x is negative 4x. Numbers. 3 plus 4 is 7, minus 6 is positive 1. Okay, real world problem using this concept. Total number of students T who traveled for spring break consists of 2 groups. Students who flew to their destinations, F, and students who drove to their destination, D. The number in thousands of students who flew and the total number of students who flew or drove can be modeled by the following equations, where n is the number of years since 1995. So, it says write an equation that models the number of students who drove to the destination for this time period. Okay? So, you're going to take T is the total. Okay? This is the number. So, this is the total. This is people who flew. In other words, the people who drove is the total minus those who flew. So, total minus flew. So the total is 14n plus 21. Minus, and be careful, anytime you do a minus, notice I didn't put 14n plus 21 in parentheses. Anytime you got subtract, you need parentheses. If you don't have parentheses, the only thing subtracted would be the 8n. So we're going to distribute here and here. So it's going to be minus 8n minus 7. And now you just combine. 14n minus 8n. So the number of people who drove is going to be 14 minus 8, 6n. And 21 minus 7 plus 14. So now we have an equation for driving, flying, and total. Now, theoretically, this plus this should equal that, because driving plus flying is total. So let's check that. The beauty of math is you can check your work. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. It makes sense. The number driving plus the number flying equals the total number. Okay, predict the number of students who will drive in 2012. Well, what you need is comparing 2012 to 1995. Because it talked about the years since 1995. So how many years is it from 1995 to 2012? That's 17 years. Okay, so we're going to plug 17 in. D equals 6 times 17 plus 14. And that ends up being 116. But that's not the answer. Because it says the number in thousands of students who flew and the number who drove. So, how many students? 116,000 students. Remember, word problem, word answer. Okay? 116,000 students, not 116. That's not the answer. How many will drive or fly? That's going to be used in the total equation. Total equals 14 times some number plus 21. Well, this time it's going to be 2015 minus 1995. Whoops, 95, which is 20 years. We're going to plop a 20 in there. We do 14 times 20 plus 21, that's 280 plus 21, that's 301. Again, not the answer. The answer is going to be 301,000 students.